Si Sexy ba? Sir Jeff Rocks Dan, sabi ni Jinky Castillon, salamat anak Jinky. Asset, thank you bro Jeff Rocks, salamat din. Kawan brother. Kellen, Pulpak Bell, all, thank you. Yan. Kellen, shout out from our sister Arsenia. Tamoy, are you connecting to our friend? Drop your link, Tamoy, and I will pin. Pinay OFW, drop your link para malablab ng ating mga kaibigan, magkaroon ng views. I'm done. Connect to you, Brother Kellen. Wow, thank you so much, Phil Amboy. Please connect also to our other sister, okay? Our other sister, Silkuti, Fujake, Maumani. Please connect to everyone, guys, not to only one. Ako ang nangunguna doon. Okay, Silkuti family, I'm still playing your video. Asit, 10 million in the house, mega love shout out. Wala si Nurse Anton. Nasaan na kaya si Nurse Anton? Punta ko na nga lang yung bahay niya mamaya. Asit, thank you so much. Tamoy, I'm not done connect to you yet. I will connect after. Why you're laughing? Ha 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 ha. Romeo Mindanao TV. Good evening, ma'am host at sa lahat. It's mother po, Romeo Mindanao TV. It's mother. Salamat po sa pagbisita kay mother. Jacqueline Maumani Dan I vlog Dan, Maumani sister, Jacqueline TV Dan to you. Please connect back. Sis Arsenia, guys, nagbaba ng bahay si Sis Arsenia, lablabin. Romeo Mindanao TV, thank you so much for the heart. Pulang-pula ang iyong pagmamahal kay mother. Yan. Guys, done na kayo sa nakapin. Go to the pin, guys. 1 more minute so we can change. Asit, thank you so much. So we can change the pin, guys. Go connect to the pin. Okay. Ay! See? Nagganon kaya ako nung nanonood ako, Phil Amboy. Nagre-react si mother. Gusto ko nang pumasok sa cellphone ko at makipagbugbugan na rin. Kuya mega love shout out. Magandang gabi po. Sabi niya, good evening po. Ayan. Surdo. Asar yung si Sexy. You're welcome, Mother Earth. Thank you. Yeah. Guys, Kellen brother drop his link. Connect, guys. Jinky Castillon dance sa off day. Salamat, Boss Jeff Rocks. Ma'am Idol at sa lahat, pa-support naman po ng konting pumba. Boss Romeo, baba mo po. Baba mo yung bahay mo para maano natin, malablab ng ating mga kaibigan. Asid Noreen Dan Otis. Thank you so much, Jinky. The Mirandas Mutsputs. Hello, sabi niya. Guys, nagbaba ng bahay ang ating mga kapatid. The Mirandas. At saka si Boss Romeo ng Mindanao. Ayan. Love. Guys, dan na kayo sa nakapin. Dan na sa nakapin, guys. Silkuti, just a minute. I just changed the pin, okay? Guys, connect to the pin. Connect, guys. Silkuti, I'm here again in your channel. You have ads now. Romeo Mindanao TV, dan sa'yo, sir, na ay bakas. Wow, na ay may bakas daw po. Nag-iwan ng bakas ang ating kapatid na si Arsenias. Ayan, Phil Amboy, may harang ka din. Tapos na yung video mo. Boss Romeo, Arsenia sister, drop just connect to you. Guys, connect to the pin. let's